Zo, dat logo er goed op. Roep maar af. Good morning everyone, thank you for watching the video today again. We are in the house of EHang. EHang is one of the biggest companies in China, in the world, about the flight, yeah, how do you say this, Abba? Flight eVTOL? Yeah, eVTOL flights. So on the back side you see here, welcome to EHang Intelligent. Yeah, it's a big office, it's a big company. In the future they will building, what they say, 1,000 units a year or more. So it's big. Here you see every certification they have, certificates. So the wall is full or this. On the left one you see they do also some light show drones. So that's also interesting. On the right side you see one of the most interesting certification in China they have, the highest one. And on the left side, what we see here we see Ajax from the Netherlands. So they fly in 2018 in the Netherlands in the Ajax stadium. So yeah, that is interesting. And here you see one, what people are thinking in 1957, what is coming. And here you see in 2000, I don't know, except 2016, the EHang was there. So in 1957 they was thinking what is coming in the future, and 2016 there we are. From the right to the left you see where everything starts, the small drones. So here they don't have a camera, and then you see they start with the camera. And after there is the light show drone, so they do the light shows. And here we see the one what everyone wants to see. This machine you can sit inside with 2 persons, so you don't need a pilot. It's a really interesting machine. You take your seatbelt like in a car. You look it, and then you have here the maps. And you say, okay, I will from A to B. You put here the location where you want, and then you go to the next one. But they save it so you not can do it now. So that is, you go from A to B, and you can fly. You do play, you go. Here you see every engine. So the voltage of every engine, you see A, B on the left in the front. And then all the engines that you have. Here you see the maps. You see your voltage. So yeah, so fast as we're running in, so fast we're running out. You are thinking maybe why you're running fast and you're running fast out. This is the eVTOL. It's so easy. You go in, you fly, you go out, you be there. In the top, in the front you see the camera, so that everywhere is a camera connection. They have the full control. And it's like a normal aircraft, airplane. You close the door and you can go fly. So like a baby from 2-3 years old that can walk, it can fly. It's more easy than this, we not can make it in the future. So here we are, here we have the machine. The speed is 130 km per hour, you can fly 30 kilometers. The maximum takeoff 620 kilogram. So 25 minutes flight time. And no jokes, so that is perfect. So on the right side you see the eVTOL for the firefight. There on the screen there is some demonstration. What we see here, you not can open the door. But there is only one seat for one pilot, because we have also the water tank downside, or the other stuff what we need, and there you can operate it. On the top you see some rockets, they can fire some, I don't know how do you say that, our explosion, that it stops the fire. On the screen you see some demonstration. Then here they have the cargo eVTOL. It's a big one, not that big. Also in the front we have the camera. Here you can see inside there is a lot of space, and I think it's more around 200 kilograms what can go in. So you think it's too big, but it's not that big. You can sit inside and you say hello, there we are. And there we are. So it's easy, eh? Everyone can sit inside. So if, how do you say, hou je schoonmoeder? Send je schoonmoeder naar de maan. If you want to send you the mother or your wife to heaven, you can put it in this cargo drone and she can go. Also 20 minutes flight time. Charge is 1 hour or 2 hours charging. Interesting, nice machine. So we run into the next one. Here you see also some small machines. It's nice, but it's not the business what we like. We like the bigger one. And in the end, we see the one that they start. So the CEO or EHang did his first flight in this machine, and now they don't produce it more. But it's not so. It's for sure it's an interesting machine. But you like to travel with 2 persons, so you like to have the big one. So that it is cool. Here on the right side, we see so much countries, not interesting, but we see here Belgium, and on top we see the Netherlands. So in this moment we are thinking next week or the week after we go in the Netherlands, but we are not sure. We need to do a lot of paperwork and we need to have a lot of support. So if you support it, subscribe this video, like this video and say we go fly in the Netherlands, and we will do for you for sure. We have the right contact. You see we are inside. Here you see the eVTOL airplane. It's a nice one. Vertical takeoff also. Also there is a lot of comfort. You have so much space. It's like a car door. It's easy. You can lock it. You can open it. So yeah, it's cool. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it and you want to see me fly in the one in the Netherlands or in Europa, in Italy. Let me know behind these comments.